Okay, YouTubers, right now uh, I'm just checking this dryer is not heating up, and I will open these elements on the back here. I check this one, and plus I check the the thermal cut off right here on the top. This is right over here. As you can see, this they call that thermal cut off, and they have these fuses here. This is a fuse for that here. And now I need to find out. I already replaced the parts and it's still not heating up, and now I need to check these elements. Maybe it's something like, maybe it's cut off in here, so there's a broken elements in here. Maybe it was some of the wire was cut off, so I need to check that, because I already checked these parts, everything here. The dryer is working though, it's running and everything, and this is a brand new dryer. I just put this one here before. I just replaced this dryer here, and I put a new one. This is Amana dryer. So now I just need to, I think why this dryer broke, because of inside here I see this kind of like a salt thing here, like a salt, and it's like, and it's wet. It's inside of this exhaust duct right here, inside of this duct. So now that's why it triggers up not to not to function really good, because this like a lot of salt here. This like salt, it's wet. Now I need to find out. I already replaced the parts here. I replaced the thermal cut off. Now the last one that I need to check is this element. Maybe one of them here on the back is it's cut off, so it's not gonna work that way. So right now, so I'm going to open up that one, and I already have these all the parts that I replaced here. These all the parts, and but still not working, because normally when a dryer is not heating up, the problem always is the thermal cut off or your fuse right here. Doesn't work the switch if your fuse here is broken, if some it's not working. So right now I need to check these elements. I need to find out. I believe this is the one is broken. Maybe it's cut off on the back or there. I need to check that one. So thank you again. This is Jack of all trade. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.